Hey guys, we're here at the KTM Adventure Rally taking a look at some new luggage offerings from Tusk. They've got three options. The first one's the Pilot, the next one is the Olympus, and the third one is the Highland. The Highland being a rackless system, the other two require racks. Unfortunately, there is no pricing available yet, so you'll have to wait and see once they're released. Then here we have the Olympus tank bag. You can see it's got some straps here on the top. And then inside there's some dividers, some elastic straps, nice places to keep things held down. This here is the jump starter, which I guess is a new thing they're offering. And we'll go over to TJ after the intro and let him give you a closer look.
What's up, guys? I'm TJ at Rocky Mountain. Just going to give you a quick rundown of what the new luggage is all about that we've come out with. It's all from Tusk. This is our Highland bag that is our rackless bag. It comes in a couple configurations. The one that you're seeing right here is the 22-liter with a 10-pole bag. We do it also with a 33-liter Dry Duffle as well. So that's a couple of options. We're doing a special here at the KTM Adventure Rally. This is where we've released all the luggage. This specific system will come with everything you're seeing. So you're getting the main bag, I'll wait for the bike to go by, it's kind of loud. There's two bottle holders or accessory bags that come with it as well. You can put that there, you can mount them on the front, you can mount them on the back, and the same on the other side as well. It mounts up with 5 easy straps to take on and off, so you can take the whole bag with you. It's basically a waterproof liner system, so the bag is a 2520 denier, nylon webbing, nylon thread, very heavy duty bag. We've tested the heck out of this thing and it's proven. It's been really good. So the inside liner is what helps us keep dry, but that's basically the Highland. This right here is our small tank bag. Quite a few cool features with this. This is probably my favorite item, but it's got a cool spot to hold your gloves right up on top, a little glasses holder on the side over here, a little divider that you can take in and out, replaceable. Also a rain cover comes included with the tank bag, a spot in the front for the cables to come out. There's a lot of things with some of the tank bags that we kind of felt were missing, so we tried to put those into this, and obviously with Tusk and everything that we do, we try to make the best quality that we can and keep it at a good price for people to get into the sport, but also to keep people in the sport and keep it affordable. So that's kind of what's there. Right here, we'll just walk.
We'll just walk over here.
So this right here is the Olympus. This is kind of, I've been calling it our flagship bag. What I like about it is how simple it is to take on and off of the bike. With our Tusk rack, it's the easiest way. But you just pull this pin, and it just pops right off. So you can see that it's using the same plate as our hanger boxes use. So it's pretty simple, pretty easy. You still strap the top just for extra security to keep it over the top of the bike. But it comes with a bottle holder on this side that's drawstring for draw cord. This one's a roll top. Duraflex buckles on all these as well. Nylon webbing on this as well, and it's an awesome system for obviously taking off and on easily. But there is a universal plate that comes with this if you happen to not use the Tusk rack.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is the largest Dry Duffle that we have. This is large. It's about 44 liters, so it's pretty self-explanatory. It's a Dry Duffle bag, but got a few cool features like the little air release valve to help you compress it when you're really wanting to have it as small as you can. All nylon webbing as well, nylon stitching.
And you have a few sizes of that, right?
We do, yeah. And we'll go through. So this is the small, that's the 22 liter. There's an extra small that's a 10 liter. This is the large, and the small is this one, or the medium is this one.
Okay.
So this is probably the most popular size. It's about 33 liters roughly. Does the same thing. It's got the air valve. This is on the large and the medium. They have this air valve. And it's just a perfect size for just about anything. Obviously, if you're on a real big adventure bike, the large is probably the best. But this is what we've found is kind of a perfect size for a lot of dirt riding and camping off the bike. But these bags here are Pilot. This is the most cost-effective option that we have right now. It's still a pretty simple system. It doesn't take off as easy as the Olympus. All you do is you release these 2 metal cams, or these 4 metal cams, and you can take the bag right off pretty easy as well, just not as fast. But still, 25-20 denier, like all the bags are. Really heavy-duty materials, nylon, webbing, nylon, threads, everything that's really the best that you can get at an affordable price. So
Perfect. That's what we need.
Yeah, this one's great. It's got rip stop on top. That one comes with a liner as well. And
So on this one, you still have to have a rack, right?
this one you do.
A support
Yep,
rack.
You still need a rack, and it'll fit any rack because it loops on to the rack. So any
Yeah.
rack you have to have, that bag's gonna fit perfect.
All right.
Yeah, but those are the basics. I could get way more detailed, but we'll leave it at that.
All right, that'll work. Thanks for talking to us.
Yeah, man.